Hi class, today we're going to start chapter 23, Unions and the Employment Relationship. So let's go ahead and get started. Important words to know that we're going to go over in this part of the chapter are yellow dog contracts, a bargaining unit, the NLRB, an authorization card, and collective bargaining. Yellow dog contracts. They are forms that employers force workers to sign to prevent them from forming unions. So back in the 1800s, it was thought if a yellow dog, yellow means not courageous, so it means cowardly. So it would prey upon the cowardly employees. And the employers would say, we will give you this if you don't form a union. And so they'd be like, oh, okay. And that's a yellow dog contract. So it would force workers to sign a contract that says you can't form a union. They're now illegal. We'll get into that then later this week. And right there, now illegal. A bargaining unit is a group of employees in the same union. So the teachers at Shamokin, they're a bargaining unit. They're all in the same union. Now there's also a bigger union that we are part of, which is the Pennsylvania State Education Association. So all teachers in Pennsylvania are the part of that bigger union. And then there's the NEA, the National Education Association. So we're even bigger union of public teachers. The NLRB, that's the National Labor Relations Board. Roosevelt is the one who created it in 1935 to help employees fight for their right to work. And it was created from the NLRA, which is the National Labor Relations Act, also known as the Wagner Act. An authorization card is a card you sign to join a union. That's it. It's just a little card that you sign that says that you're a union member. And the last term is collective bargaining. So what it means, collective means together, and bargaining means to negotiate. So it's negotiations between a union and an employer. It's used to settle contracts such as wages, benefits, hours, safety. With teachers, it also has to do with class sizes as well as additional duties that they might be assigned to. So every time a contract is ready to expire, that's when collective bargaining happens, where the union and the employer will go back and forth to negotiate wage increases or benefits, hours, so working hours, or safety. So that is really for, say, like the mines. So that's where it all began, with worker safety. Okay, that's all we're going to do for today. Tomorrow we're going to pick up with the 4 major labor relations legislations of the 20th century. See you tomorrow.